Hi, class. So, welcome to week two. Here in week two, what we are going to do is get a little bit deeper into exactly what a prospectus is, right? We're going to dive a little bit further. I'm going to jump you into the process starting to write one. So, this week, you're going to write an introduction, and there's going to be a fair amount of reading. I give you the readings this week that I give you for the following reason. I think the form that you're going to have your prospectus take will ultimately be very likely um, to be a policy proposal or a policy analysis, in which case the Bacharach reading is going to be sort of the core of your methodology. The Anderson reading will help you sort of distinguish between analysis and evaluation, and the Howlett and Ramesh reading will teach you a little bit more about public policy theories broadly if you're doing some sort of a policy proposal rather than an analysis. So you're going to have a choice here. You're going to have to figure out what your capstone is, and what your capstone is may be, a process evaluation or a cost benefit analysis to evaluate an ongoing program. It may be something different than that. It may be um, a policy proposal or an analysis of the existing policy. It might be suggesting changes. You might be doing an actual, honest to God, bona fide research question, um, empirical research, or you might be doing a case study, or it might take various other forms. We're going to learn more about these forms later. You're not going to have to select that permanently until week 4. But I have a feeling most of you are probably going to end up doing some sort of a administration or policy analysis or proposal. And for that reason, we're covering these specific readings up front in week 2. Now, there's going to be a discussion, folks, which is mostly to make sure you understand the keys of those readings because they're going to be important moving forward. And I'm going to ask you to write just a quick introduction, about a 2-page double-spaced one for Sunday. Um, I want you to just take a crack at it, do the best you can. Realize it's preliminary, and you'll have a chance to go back and take advice and update all this stuff before you submit your final prospectus anyway. So that's it. It's a fair amount of reading this week, not a heck of a lot of writing. I don't want you to get too stressed out. But I do want you to jump in, start the writing a little bit, think about the process, and start thinking about what form your work will take, what your problem statement or research question is going to be, and how you're going to start moving forward. Because next week is going to be much less reading, but much more writing, and you're going to have to start doing research for your literature review. With all that said, I will see you off in week 3. Thank you.